All right, folks, good morning. This is your first day of e-learning in personal finance. And what we're going to do is a long overdue review for a test that I will want you to complete over the next couple days here. So there is a link to play the game on Kahoot if you want to. And so what you do there is, let's see, it will have all the questions and then you can show the answers, or you can like open it on your Chromebook and play it on your phone or vice versa. And then, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. There are 22 questions there you can see. Outside of that, there is also a review sheet that you can take a look at. And again, my review sheets aren't like, oh, do this, then do that. It's more like, so that way you understand what you have to look for. So this will just kind of get you thinking, kind of get you moving towards taking this test here. All right, and then tomorrow I will put the test on Schoology for you, and I'll send it in the email. And you'll just make a copy of it, like a Google Doc, and then you will just answer the questions on there, whether it tells you to like short answer or highlight or what have you. So let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to email me back if anything doesn't make sense. All right, thanks.